Jenner and students, today we will know about how to write letter, how to write formal letter on the basis of situation. So let's continue. Letter writing on explaining a situation. The phrase explain your situation you often find as second bullet point or sometimes as your first bullet point. It means that there's a situation, there's a lots of when you give in the exam also, you got the condition, you got the points that you in on the which basis you have to write. You get the situation on that the first is a, it's just like the situation comes in your mind. There are lots of things, and at first glance you may feel it is quite unclear, and when you read first that you just started, it is very unclear to you. When you read it again and actually just you what you have to explain here, and to remove all doubts, let us discuss. And there's a lots of doubt over there कि how to pick point from the question, how to pick things, and how to understand the situation. So to remove all the doubts, let us discuss this by the taking an example of a letter question. So the question is that like you have a recently purchased an item from retail store, and when you return from, you found that it did not work. You called the customer care about this problem but did not get any satisfactory response. So this is the situation, and now what you have to do, write a letter to the retail manager in your letter you have to say who are you, explain your situation, and say what action you want from the retail store. So now you have to explain your situation and clarity on. I just want to let you know that what is the clarity, because in your situation there should be clarity. If someone with whom you are explaining the situation, this should be clear, and that how you explain your words and how you explain your situation which is running through your way. And the now what does explain your situation mean is that in that it means that you can describe the current issues you are experiencing or the problem you are facing now, how it actually happened, and what the whole story behind it was. The questions put you in the situation which you can imagine as real. So whatever the question over there, you have to imagine in the real condition, real situation, real problem, and as a real, then as subsequently, and you have to mention it subsequently means the subsequences over there, and you can write it in the form of letter. So in order to explain the situation, you can relate it with something which you are familiar about. So this is your first point, where first you can explain the situation in by relating it something with which you are familiar. For example, you might have already found a service unsatisfactory in the past of your friends. Might means you are just giving them example that the this is not problem occur with you only. This incident happened before on also, and your friend faced that situation. And so the in the case of writing complaint letter, for example, about experiencing bad service at restaurant, or the bad service at shop, bad service at mall, or bad service at anywhere, this is a servicing for the product basis. And you often need to explain the situation as the second point. As the second point of explaining a situation means you have to situation the second way means that the first way we are using that you are putting the another example, and the second way is there is usually lengthy, because there where you have to describe a lot. Here you have to describe the whole situation in a proper manner, because you are complaining for something. It is important to think of something and extra surrounding, think of something extra surrounding to give in situation only. For example, adding factual information for actual the reality of the thing, and the formal of the forming of the story of the whole incident. Sometime the incident happened to you in restaurant something happened to you, so you have to describe the whole scenario, etc., and to provide more detailed information. And the things to be remembered, the points to be remembered, that always you have to start correctly, means always you have to start with the greeting manner, the purpose statement. For a formal letter, email, always being telling the reader, so you have to be humble with there, and always start with the opening statement, reading something like the dear manager, I am writing to inform you about an incident, like this. If you are writing the manager or whatever the organization did this, and I am writing to explain it, yeah, to complain about, yeah, to inform you about this, you have to start in a very proper manner, in a very polite manner. So then after, arrange the content point into paragraph, means as you have in your, like in your exam also, you have given the situation in the question, you have the in the question situations are given, so you have to put the point from there, you have to mark which how much point you have to cover from the took from the question, and you have to put in your letter. So whatever the points, if the 6.3 point, what the question require, that you have to put in your letter, and the number your point of the question. So it's better because there is a sequence, the every letter have a sequence. Sometime when you have to start with the sequence also, the thing which occur is always you have to start with the thing, like the numbering you alert you miss, if you miss any point, be aware of the question without with double points. So just be aware that you are not putting your point again and again. Once you done, then you done it, don't do it again. Okay, so and don't use it again, don't pick it again in your letter. And there will be only 5 or 6 point almost, and you have to, some question may have also asked you where and when the incident occurred, so that account you has to 3 questions. Sometime there will be question asking to you list 2 things or list 3 things. So there's a also, like some of the time you just the question explained you brought from there, and that time or everything, like sailing also, like you brought something from Diwali sale or this and that. So or sometime they ask you to make the list of the information, है ना, so you have to write in the like that. So item, incident, so there you have to write the list also, listing also, like what is the item and what is the incident, what is the emotion. It can be anything, or it can be anything, whatever the thing mentioned in the question. So highlight or underline the point of the question. In letter also you can do that, whatever the point they asking to put you, or whatever the point asking in the question, that you have to underline in the letter. Just put it underline, just underline it. It looks very nice also, or very clear also, like which information you have to put on the letter, you mention that, shows you mention that. And whatever the examiner over there who who check the your letter, that comes only by the one vigilant, that shows that what point you have to put. So I think you have to do the highlight, don't forget to highlight the thing, the again towards the this towards your benefit, your own benefit. You are more likely to notice mistake, missed answer. So here if you are highlighting the things, you will not miss, and you just make the things and identify the things very clearly, and very clearly you pick your all points, and other who read the letter. Use the right tone, always use right tone, don't use harsh tone, or don't, you are complaining but you are not scolding to someone. You should always put your good words, good tone, and remember the sign off correctly, obviously, and should be always well. So you have to end the letter very clearly. So this is the format of the letter. First, you know that you have to put your address and the date and the sender address, then salutation, then what kind of subject is over there, what subject you want is required. So then you have to subject, and then heading means, then again the salutation have two types of so if then after that body, and then after thank you, your faithfully, and then your sign. Okay, and this is the incident reporting, the same, the reporter organization first of all, then who is writing, and then heading, and then polite and formal tone, and then your body, matlab what letter body, and then your name to sign correctly, and then date. So let's write the letter now. So I have told you that you have when you have returned home, you found that it will not work, and call the customer care about this problem. So here you have to write on it. If here it is not mentioned, the sender detail and the receiver date is not mentioned, I just mention here just make you understand that if it is mentioned, then you have to write like this, but it is not mentioned, no need to write, just write date and then matter, dear sir and madam, and then subject, I am writing this letter to the complaint about the digital camera that I brought from the retail store on that last Monday. Okay, then I am this and that, I am the resident of Vishal Market, New Delhi. Here you will write the if it is not mentioned, then here you will write whatever you want to, like this. This is up to you, where what is it, like here it is not mentioned where you are doing and what you are doing. This is up to you only. So if it is not mentioned in question, this is up to you what you are writing. So I am the resident of this and that, an executive of the reporting nearby the retail store. I have purchased the technology digital camera. So you have to make the things that Nokia and the brand like suddenly stopped working. I just put the underline. So whatever this point, like I found discrepancies, so here you have to, I just bold it. So this kind of thing you have to mention like this, or you have to make it clear that what point you are putting over there. So, and then what was like this, the concerned representative refused to replace the camera and was not friendly. So this is I bold just because I want to clear you that what you have to highlight it. So this is a main point, and enough and listen anything. I therefore request you to kindly interfere in the matter. The help. This is the ending. So here you have to put always hope or the good mark. So this is the request. Then digital camera getting the full refund amount as soon as possible, and always keep avoid short forms over there. Like we can use ASAP for the as soon as possible, but in the formal letter always just deny to use it. Always don't use it. Never use that kind of short words. Okay, and I also suggest to improve your customer care dispute resolution system. So the useful phrase you have to explain the situation, you can put into explain the situation like following: it was working fine earlier, like it suddenly stopped working, and there seems to be a problem in, I found a discrepancies, and it was faulty, it broken in from inside, there is a scratch. So this kind of words, when you are complaining, so you have to use that kind of words in your letter. And the connectivity also, moreover, apart from this, on the other hand, on other than this, and in addition of this, like this kind of keywords or the connective words you have to use, so that your letter will be more interesting or more relevant, or the more like you can say imaginative or creative. So you have to put your creation over there with the correct points. And now you can try attempt your making letters. So the letters, just attempt it and do it and practice it. Thank you so much.